Tea times are best time to enjoy some crispy snacks. This dahi ke soole which I am making today is specialty in officers mess. Wherever you go, army mess, air force mess or navy mess, this dahi ke soole is must on their party menus. I like this recipe quite a lot. So today I am cooking dahi ke soole in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. For making dahi kebab, I have taken about 600 ml of curd or yogurt and I am going to strain it. We need hung curd for this, so just keep it in a strainer or a muslin cloth. It will take about 1.5 hours to make the hung curd. Water will drain off in the pot. We'll just keep it aside. Prepare rest of the filling for this. We place this yogurt for making hung curd for about 2 hours. And now the whey is strained in the bowl. And I'm going to take this in a separate bowl. I'll put this strained yogurt in a bowl. We'll make stuffing with this. This is hung curd. So in this much quantity of hung curd, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, about 2 chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, little bit of red chili powder, salt to taste. You have to take care, salt should be little on the lower side because yogurt is sour in taste, and finally about 10 grams or 15 grams of grated cheese. The stuffing is ready. Now we are going to fill this stuffing in the bread. Trim the hard edges. So likewise we will prepare all the breads. Our bread is ready. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to place it over a parchment paper. That will make rolling easier. Just put the bread like on one upon the other, just like this. Wet your fingers and press the bread and flatten it out. You can use the rolling pin as well, but I am flattening it with my hand. I'll rotate it like this, and with the help of a rolling pin, I'll just press it so that the edges are seamless. Now I'm going to fill the filling over here. Place the filling in the center and I'll roll it out. Try to roll it as tight as possible. Now what I'll do is, I'll just wet the edges here also, so that the bread doesn't break, and we'll pull up the edge from one side and roll it. Roll it tightly and just press the edges as well, so that it is sealed from the sides also. I am going to place this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes so that the bread and the filling is set. There are 2 methods of cooking dahi ke soole. One is deep fried, another one is pan frying. So first I am demonstrating how to deep fry it. Now instead of dropping them straight away because they are heavier and oil may spill out on your fingers, just place them on a slotted spoon. Whenever you are deep frying anything, make sure oil is hot enough, otherwise anything you are frying will absorb lot of oil. So now 2 minutes in the pan and our dahi ke soole is brown and crisp. I'll take them out onto a plate on which I have placed a kitchen towel that will absorb extra oil. Just see how beautiful the stuffing looks. It has started to ooze out. Tastes very good. So our dahi ke soole is ready. Now in the previous method I showed you how to deep fry the dahi ke soole. There is another method by which you can prepare it, that is pan frying. Of course that might not be that crispy, but nevertheless if you feel guilty about eating deep fried food, this is the best way to go. Heat up the oil and spread it on in the pan. Now we have unwrapped this, and this is the piece which I am going to pan fry. Whenever you are pan frying anything with the bread cover, just make sure that it is brushed properly from the all side, because once you keep it there, that will absorb all the oil. So make sure every side is coated with the oil properly. Oil is hot enough. Now I'll take the oil and brush it. Let the bread cook from this side and slowly we'll rotate from all the side and cook it likewise. So I think this will be cooked from one side. I'll just flip it over. Yes, this is cooked from this side. We'll flip it and cook it from other side as well. Now our bread is cooked from all the sides, and I'm going to take it out onto a plate and we'll serve it. So this is how it stacks up. These are the deep fried ones. This is pan fried one. So to serve it, I have already plated a salad and I'm going to cut it diagonally. You can cut it into 2 or 3 pieces. I am going to cut them into 3 pieces. Just see how the center looks. It's so beautiful and so crispy. I have already plated the salad, on which I have added olive oil, salt and lemon and just tossed it. Going to plate this up over here. Your dahi ke sule is ready. If you are a fan of tea time recipes and like this recipe, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with another quick and interesting recipe in the next week. Till then, happy cooking.